Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Have you ever felt stuck? Like you want to grow, but your thinking and your mindset keep pulling you back? No need to worry. The good thing is that mindsets are not fixed and they can be improved upon. Today, I will show you how to change your mindset in 3 practical and simple steps. Let's jump right into the video. Number 1, notice your thoughts and mindsets. Awareness is key. The first step to changing your mindset is noticing what your mind is saying. Your thoughts are like a voice inside your head. You don't have to believe every thought that comes to your mind. Before you change your mindset, you have to make a practice of noticing your thoughts. Pro tip: journaling helps you to become aware of your thoughts. Consider practicing journaling from now on. Number 2, question your thoughts and mindsets. Not every mindset is true. Some of your thoughts are just replaying what you are used to. The fact that you thought about something doesn't mean it is true. Accept that what you currently think needs some adjustments. So you ask yourself, this mindset that I have, is it helping me grow? Is it true? Are there other perspectives from which I can view life? Number 3, replace the mindset with a better one. Your new thoughts and mindset should help you grow, achieve your goals, and become a better person. Go watch videos 11, 12, and 13 of this playlist to learn how to set goals, how to set smart goals, and how to set smarter goals, respectively. The way to change your mindset is to notice it, question it, and replace it. Dear emotionally intelligent ones, in case you are wondering how to get better mindsets and thoughts, try reading books, joining communities of people doing better and are willing to help you, journaling, and continually feeding your mind with positive learning on this playlist. Did you enjoy this video? Kindly subscribe to this channel to stay connected for more. Give this video a thumbs up. Put your thoughts in the comments. Watch other videos in this playlist for learning and enjoyment. Share with everyone you love. And remember to subscribe to stay connected for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.